honey. I love you, my love. Sweetheart precious. Very good night, my mom precious. I love you very much, honey. Thank you very much for your words of love, sweetheart precious, and for your good wishes and blessings, okay? I love you very much. We continued enjoying the life and the stormy afternoon night. Very delicious, my love. Very delicious. Thanks to Almighty Abiyal Jorge, and thanks to your love and the presence of my mom and my dad. We have been very well, and now we are watching our first band adventure, a free Christmas tree, home a Rome, from or since 7 months ago. Look, my sweetheart. Look, my love. We are watching. We are watching it. Watching it, my sweetheart. I love you very much, honey. I love you much, okay? Think about me. Very good night, my love. Gorgeous, big. I love you. Good night, my love.